Today we're going to talk about is the cordless vacuum cleaner. Hi guys, welcome to T2H channel. Today we're going to talk about is the cordless vacuum cleaner. But before that, just to let you know that I have more and more video reviews coming up in the future. So if you would like to watch more of my video and the reviews, please like and subscribe. So let's begin. So this is the BUTURE CR20 cordless vacuum. So you can see this is the user manual. It's quite nice, and it also comes with the 2 years warranty card. So which is 24 months, yeah. And you can see all this part is come with it. It's nice, everything on the box as well. And this base charging port, and it can hold 2 brass heads with it. Yeah, it's very nice. And this is a nice, very solid vacuum with 2 power mode. Listen to it. Wow, it's very powerful, right? And this is 2 extendable hard tube for your home vacuum. So it's not just for your car vacuum, and you can use it anywhere, in the office and everywhere you want. And this is the 2-in-1 brush, so it's quite convenient. And it do come with the small cleaning brush. And this one is a connector for the hard tube, so you can connect it to reach more higher place. And this is the flat section, so I think it's suitable for your sofa or anywhere you want. So it do come with 2 types of charger cable. So one is with the plug, so easily for home use. And another one, this one is come with the USB-C cable for your car charger. So it's very convenient. Right. This is actually a 3000 mAh battery. And it's got 170, you can see here, 170 watts the power on it, and it's quite lightweight. So it's not very heavy, but it's quite, but it feels very quality. Yeah, I quite like it. It's quite quality, you know. Although it's plastic, but it's still very quality feeling, you know. Okay, so I will get a full charge, and then after that we'll do the video again. Next video we're going to show you how it works, and it's good how long it's going to last. So please stay with me for the next video, and then we can go with it for everything you need to know. Thank you for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for your next video. Thank you. Bye.